So explain a little bit about the Koji rice, Russell.
Well, first of all, this is the bag, Koji rice. What we're using it for is to dry age this steak, or to create the effect of a dry age. It's just going to draw some of the moisture out. We actually have a dry ager in our house, and so we actually took a dry aged steak, 45-day steak, a regular steak, and did a Koji rice steak, all three of them, and did a taste test. And this right here stands heads up just like a dry aged steak. The first thing you want to do, since you've done this, is we want to just scrape this rice off here.
You can see how much moisture it's pulled now that you're getting down into it.
So you can see the tenderness.
You can see the difference in the color.
Wow.
Look at the difference in the color between the...
If you did this ahead of time, you were having some friends over, you're wanting to amp up, if you will, that choice cut steak and use your GrillGrates, they're going to feel like they're in the highest end steakhouse. One of the things that they do a lot in the steak competitions is they like to layer. Mine has black garlic in it. So again, that umami building. I love our friend who has the Boar's Night Out. I like it to layer with this. I think it's a good complementary flavor. So I'm going to demonstrate how you can build on some of these rubs here. So we're going to use a little bit of the rusty and ours as the main rub. We've used our friend William Mann, his pit grit in our butter. So when we bring the steaks off, we're going to put some butter on them while they rest.
Very nice.
And we're going to build some more layers.
Shout out to our friends at Boar's Night Out.
Boar's Night.
White Lightning.
White Lightning.
That's just the regular white lightning off the
Yeah, I like the spicy one too.
I'm gonna have to get some of that.
The double garlic is still pretty cool too. We use that
So we're
quite
just
often.
doing a layer of that. Mine's a little bit more rougher grain, medium grain. So, you know, these are thick steaks. We're 1.5 inches on these would be my guess.
Yep.
So you want to be 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches. And then
Flip them over.
has used the rusty dust, and I've not had the chance to do that yet. So I'm going to try that. I'm thinking this is going to be the new. This is going to be the new deal, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We're going to let this rest just for a few minutes. Let all the rub kind of go in. And then we're going to be ready to cook. It's going to be an interesting taste test.
Yes, it is.
Our grill, currently using the Ninja, we've got the rails up, and we're sitting at about a little over 500 degrees. Okay, so.
Okay.
And we're just going to go.
Oh.
I didn't get probably could have angled it better, but I'll angle that one better.
There you go. What's then that one's going outside, I believe.
Yeah, it'll probably have to go outside.
This has been a whole new world for us, but these are nice machines. So we're giving ourselves a little head start here inside before we run outside to do the outside version, because they're going to be a little hotter.
And I think we kind of concluded, even though it's a Koji versus outdoor versus indoor versus non-Koji, it might be husband-wife competition.
Yes, I think it's legal. And I don't think this is the first time this is a...
It is not the first time. It is not the first time. But it's always a friendly competition. Oh, happy days. I mean, it's amazing to me that you can get this look on an indoor grill. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, so we've got some room here. I'm thinking what we need to do is we need to take them out and do the rails down.
Ooh, spank them that way.
And spank them. See? Because I got some room and I don't want to overcook my steaks. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay. And I'll put the broiler on for a second for us. Oh yeah, we're winning, I think. Okay. Yeah. I don't like to use a baster because I feel like it rubs off all the stuff that we did to it, so I'm just drizzle. Happy.
Oh. Are you getting some of this? Oh. Oh. I'll tell you, I mean, we were outside sweating a little bit, and I think we had reason to. Yeah. You know, the stunning development for us, I think the indoor
Koji rice won't be disappointed a little.
Maybe a little
Just a
bit.
smidge, because I actually voted for your outdoor Koji.
Yeah.
But I had a piece of this vanilla. It was so tender and juicy. But everybody else voted for the indoor.
We're all going to be getting our own bag of Koji rice.
Koji
That
rice.
is the gift of
Yeah.
today. We'll all get some of this for us to try. I can't wait to do this for some of my friends, you know.
The thing that was most amazing to me on all 4 steaks is just how incredibly tender they were. These were choice cuts. There was a material difference in the Koji versus the other, but Emily did such a great job picking out those beautiful tri-hearts, and we layered some different rubs, and we seasoned our butter. We hit it with the butter afterwards,
And
and
you used rusty dust in your
the rusty
steak
dust was a
rub.
winner on it for sure. So
Yeah,
that's a
that's
great.
a nice way to dust a steak. If you don't subscribe to Lisa's channel, you have no idea what you're missing.
Yeah.
It's Lisa's Family Table on YouTube, right?
Yes, on YouTube.
So
She's
You
a
know,
beautiful
we,
website as well.
Our website shows you where you can buy our products. We're opening up our online store as well because we have so many people that want it. We don't have enough retail outlets yet, so that's one of the things we're getting ready to do here in the next week or so.
that's right.
Yeah.
Subscribe, Lisa's Family Table. Russell, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Lisa, thank you so
Thank you.
much.